Welcome to Quiz Hub. Get ready to test your brain and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Are you ready? Let's go. Which country has won the FIFA World Cup the most times? A. Argentina, B. Germany, C. Brazil. Correct answer, Brazil. Brazil has won the FIFA World Cup 5 times, more than any other nation. Which Indian state has the highest literacy rate as of 2025? A. Kerala, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Goa. Correct answer, Kerala. Kerala consistently ranks highest with literacy over 96%. Which country exited the European Union in 2020? A. France, B. United Kingdom, C. Spain. Correct answer, United Kingdom. The UK officially left the EU after the 2016 Brexit referendum. Which AI system famously defeated the world chess champion Garry Kasparov? A. DeepMind, B. Deep Blue, C. AlphaZero. Correct answer, Deep Blue. IBM's Deep Blue defeated Kasparov in 1997, a milestone in AI history. Which AI tool is designed to generate images from text prompts? A. AlphaGo, B. Copilot, C. DALL-E. Correct answer, DALL-E. Created by OpenAI, DALL-E generates high-quality images from text descriptions. What is the main greenhouse gas responsible for global warming? A. Nitrogen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Oxygen. Correct answer, carbon dioxide. CO2 traps heat in the atmosphere, enhancing the greenhouse effect. The Louvre Museum was originally built as a palace, B. fortress, C. library. Correct answer, fortress. Built in the 12th century, later converted into a royal palace, now a museum. Which continent has no native reptiles or amphibians? A. Europe, B. Antarctica, C. Asia. Correct answer, Antarctica. Its extreme cold climate is unsuitable for cold-blooded animals. What is the heaviest naturally occurring element on Earth? A. Uranium, B. Lead, C. Plutonium. Correct answer, uranium. Atomic number 92, uranium is the heaviest natural element found on Earth. Which country hosted the 2024 Summer Olympics? A. Japan, B. France, C. Brazil. Correct answer, France. The 2024 Summer Olympics were held in Paris, marking 100 years since 1924. Which country became the first to make artificial rain using drones? A. China, B. UAE, C. Japan. Correct answer, UAE. The UAE used drones technology for cloud seeding to create artificial rain in 2021. Which is the rarest blood group in humans? A. AB positive, B. O negative, C. AB negative. Correct answer, AB negative. Less than 1% of the world's population has AB negative blood. What is the chemical formula of ozone? A. O3, B. CO2, C. O2. Correct answer, O3. Ozone is composed of 3 oxygen atoms and protects Earth from UV radiation. Which sport uses the term birdie? A. Golf, B. Badminton, C. Both. Correct answer, both. In golf, it means 1 stroke under par. The word algorithm originates from which language? A. Arabic, B. Greek, C. Latin. Correct answer, Arabic. It comes from Al-Khwarizmi, a Persian mathematician's name. Who invented the first successful vaccine? A. Edward Jenner, B. Louis Pasteur, C. Robert Koch. Correct answer, Edward Jenner. In 1796, Jenner used cowpox to immunize against smallpox. Which instrument measures atmospheric pressure? A. Hygrometer, B. Barometer, C. Thermometer. Correct answer, barometer. Invented by Torricelli to study air pressure variations. What is a rare phenomenon when the sun, earth and the moon align perfectly in a straight line? A. Equinox, B. Eclipse, C. Syzygy. Correct answer, Syzygy refers to an celestial alignment of 3 bodies. The Great Wall of China was primarily built to protect against whom? A. Japanese, B. Mongols, C. Persians. Correct answer, Mongols. It was designed to defend northern China from nomadic invasions. Which instrument is used to measure humidity? A. Barometer, B. Thermometer, C. Hygrometer. Correct answer, hygrometer. It measures the moisture content in the atmosphere. Which planet rains diamonds? A. Neptune, B. Jupiter, C. Mars. Correct answer, Neptune. High pressure converts methane into diamond rain. What is the fastest growing tissue in the human body? A. Hair, B. Nail, C. Bone marrow. Correct answer, bone marrow. It constantly produces red and white blood cells. Which organ in the human body regenerates itself? A. Liver, B. Heart, C. Kidney. Correct answer, liver. It can regrow even after partial removal. Which is the largest freshwater lake in the world? A. Lake Victoria, B. Lake Baikal, C. Lake Superior. Correct answer, Lake Baikal. It holds about 20% of Earth's unfrozen fresh water. Which natural phenomenon produces a sonic boom? A. Meteor, B. Supersonic flight, C. Thunder. Correct answer, supersonic flight. A shock wave occurs when something exceeds the speed of sound. What is the term for animals active during twilight? A. Diurnal, B. Nocturnal, C. Crepuscular. Correct answer, crepuscular. They are active at dawn and dusk. What is the main chemical in human tears? A. Sodium chloride, B. Glucose, C. Lactic acid. Correct answer, sodium chloride. salty or the salty due to dissolved salt? What's the only even prime number? A. 0, B. 2, C. 4. Correct answer 2. All other even numbers are divisible by 2. Which chemical gives blood its red color? A. Hemoglobin, B. Myoglobin, C. Chlorophyll. Correct answer hemoglobin. The iron in it binds oxygen, giving it a red hue. Which force keeps planet in orbit around the sun? A. Magnetic, B. Centrifugal, C. Gravitational. Correct answer gravitational. The sun's gravity pulls planets into a stable orbit. The ozone layer protects Earth from which radiation? A. Infrared, B. Ultraviolet, C. Gamma. Correct answer ultraviolet. Ozone absorbs harmful UVB and UVC rays from the sun. Which element is used in thermometers because it expands evenly with temperature? A. Mercury, B. Gallium, C. Lead. Correct answer mercury. Its uniform expansion makes it ideal for temperature measurement. Which organ in the body filters blood and produces urine? A. Liver, B. Kidney, C. Pancreas. Correct answer kidney. It removes waste and maintains fluid balance. Which river crosses the equator twice? A. Congo River, B. Amazon River, C. Nile River. Correct answer Congo River. It uniquely loops across the equator 2 times in Central Africa. What is the world's tallest building as of 2025? A. Shanghai Tower, B. Merdeka 118, C. Burj Khalifa. Correct answer Burj Khalifa. At 828 meters, Dubai's Burj Khalifa remains the tallest completed structure. Which country has the highest number of UNESCO World Heritage Sites? A. China, B. Italy, C. India. Correct answer Italy. Italy has over 60 UNESCO sites including Venice and Rome. The hottest temperature ever recorded on Earth was in which location? A. Death Valley, USA, B. Lut Desert, Iran, C. Sahara Desert. Correct answer Death Valley, USA. Recorded 56.7 degrees Celsius in Furnace Creek in 1913. Who holds the record for the most followed person on Instagram as of 2025? A. Cristiano Ronaldo, B. Taylor Swift, C. Lionel Messi. Correct answer Cristiano Ronaldo. He's constantly at the top with 600 million followers. Which country holds the record for the world's largest democracy by population? A. USA, B. India, C. Brazil. Correct answer India. With over 1 billion eligible voters, is the largest democratic system. Which AI model became the first to write a full novel draft autonomously? A. ChatGPT, B. GPT-4, C. Pseudo-Write AI. Correct answer Pseudo-Write AI. It used advanced transformer models to generate cohesive fiction text with minimal human editing. Which landmark is found in Agra, India? A. Taj Mahal, B. Red Fort, C. Qutub Minar. Correct answer. Taj Mahal, built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. The Nobel Peace Prize is awarded in which city? A. Oslo, B. Stockholm, C. Geneva. Correct answer. Oslo. All other Nobel Prizes are awarded in Sweden. The Peace Prize is presented in Oslo, Norway. Which country has the world's highest waterfall? A. Peru, B. Venezuela, C. Brazil. Correct answer. Venezuela. Angel Falls is the highest world waterfall which drops from 979 meters. Which landmark in France was originally built as a temporary exhibit for the 1889 World's Fair? A. Eiffel Tower, B. Arc de Triomphe, C. Louvre Pyramid. Correct answer. Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower is supposed to be dismantled after 20 years, but it became France's global symbol. Great Sphinx of Giza has the head of a human and the body of a tiger, B. Camel, C. Lion. Correct answer. Lion. It symbolizes strength and wisdom. The lion's body represents power. The Christ the Redeemer statue overlooks which city? A. Rio de Janeiro, B. Sao Paulo, C. Buenos Aires. Correct answer. Rio de Janeiro. The 30-meter tall statue stands atop Mount Corcovado, symbolizing peace. Mount Rushmore features the faces of how many US presidents? A. 3, B. 4, C. 5. Correct answer. 4. Washington, Jefferson, Roosevelt and Lincoln are carved into the granite mountain. The Sydney Opera House is shaped to resemble A. Seashells or sails, B. Bird wings, C. Waves. Correct answer. Seashells or sails. Its design was inspired by sails on the Sydney Harbour. Which European city is home to the Acropolis? A. Athens, B. Rome, C. Madrid. Correct answer. Athens. The Acropolis hill houses the Parthenon, dedicated to goddess Athena. Which landmark is also known as the Blue Mosque? A. Hagia Sophia, B. Sultan Ahmed Mosque, C. Al-Aqsa Mosque. Correct answer. Sultan Ahmed Mosque. Its blue tiles and domes in Istanbul give it the name Blue Mosque. If you love quizzes, like, share and subscribe. How many did you get right? Comment below. Keep quizzing with Quiz Hub.